about that their subject. So all of you has prepared or gone through it or not, I don't know, but just check on the our group. Okay, so let us, I will present. So this is what the subject name which is allotted to me for this third year, second semester. That is ET 323. That is the course code is there, electronic system design. So for teaching scheme and the exam scheme, it is in front of you. You just, I think all of you has again the prepared the now hard copy. That is the notebooks individual for every subject, because in a very few days afterward, so we are going to start offline also. That physically you supposed to come here. So that time definitely you supposed to be with the notebook. So from the start only, just be with the notebook, and whatever we are going to study, just note it down in that notebook. If you are not purchased, so today itself you just get it purchased after in the evening. Okay, so timetable, daily 5 lectures are been planned, and you have gone through the timetable itself. Just check it out. So who is the teacher, on which platform they are going to conduct. So we are make available for that one and compatible with that platform. From 15th of February, whatever the decision will be there, so that will be conveyed to you. So for our subject, that is electronic system design, the theory lectures are allotted the 4 hours per week and practical 2 hours per week. As far as the exam is concerned, end semester exam will be of 70 mark. In that, or aside to that, ISC will be of 30 marks. That the 3 ISCs we are going to conduct, and the internal marks will be of 25 marks. That is internal term work. So depending on that, the triple P or the your journal assignment and the other things. Now this semester, how it is going to be implemented, so that is the again the uh, if you are going to come here physically, or the decision will be pending right now, but 25 marks are there for internal. Definitely the attendance is also having a great percentage in that, so take that, consider that one also. And final university oral exam is there of 50 marks, and the hash is there, so it is with the HMP. Actually the HMP oral will be there, but in that the few questions from this electronic system design is also going to be asked, because as it is a system design, so related to that the questions can be asked in the HMP, that is project hardware mini project. So this is what the structure of our subject. So what is required actually from the student side before going to study this particular subject? So you should have the basic knowledge of basic electronics, LIC, and digital electronics. That is which subject was there? Digital techniques, like that subject, and OPAM and all that. LIC, your concept should be clear, so that you can correlate and you will better understand easily the whatever the new contents are there in this particular syllabus. So this is prerequisite. If you are going for the outcomes, that is after studying this particular subject, what the students will be able to. So these are the few course outcomes we have designed for this subject. So per chapter, that is it is correlated with this subject chapters. So describe construction, analyze DCAC power control circuit, design and implement timer, frequency counter, and DVM, that is digital voltmeter or the frequency synthesizer. then simulation of communication system component, then analyze the various controllers for industrial applications. So they are the our course outcomes. So I hope if you are having the paper and pen with you, so just note it down all the 5 course outcome. Or afterwards as a homework we can put, instead of just wasting the time over here, but it should be whatever there it is in the ppt, this ppt, so all it should be in your notebook, because if in the coming next week if you are joining here, so that time definitely we will check and we will sign on the notebook. So that was the decided, so don't miss out. Okay, so these are the outcomes, and then we will just go in short that throughout the syllabus, so that it will be easier to understand okay, what your this subject contains. So basically this subject is bifurcated in 3 to 4 sections. Means officially there are 2 sections, but they have made the parts in that. So first 2 units are related with power electronics. Then third unit it is related with um, communication components, that is balance modulator. If you are remembering the your last subject, that is analog communication and digital communication. So FM detector, what is this FM? What is this detector? So earlier concept also you supposed to be make it clear, so that again the same concept are came here, but in a different manner. So FM detector, that PLL concept, so that you supposed to learn over here. So this is what you just parallelly go through this particular syllabus. I am just taking a review of that, or the just sharing the summary of it. So fourth chapter, it is again related with the digital techniques concepts like the timer, counter, um, that we supposed to do the design by using them. So what is to be designed? That is the DVM or the long range timer. So various ICs also number specifically they have given. So we have to learn that particular ICs. So learn the ICs means what? That is the pinout diagrams, or the how to construct or how to design, because design is a different part and actual construction is a different part. फक्त डिझाईन मध्ये काय की बाबा किती काउंटर लागणार आहेत, किती आयसी लागणार आहेत हे, परंतु कन्स्ट्रक्शन मीन्स व्हॉट, की कुठली पिन कुठं कनेक्ट करायची, कशी कनेक्ट करायची, कसं त्याचं वर्किंग होईल, what is the question, and accordingly how we can change the design and implement it. तर तो पार्ट ह्या चौथ्या चॅप्टर मध्ये आहे. So that is also very important. That comes under the section second, counter, timer and digital voltmeter. Again the fifth unit, it is related with that the particular design of industrial control. मग इथं तुमचं सेन्सर्स अँड ऍप्लिकेशन्स जो सब्जेक्ट आहे त्यातलेच सेन्सर्स आहेत इथं PT100, LM35. So that how we are going to use it, what is its use, what are their functions. So that we supposed to learn in this fifth unit, that is industrial control. की टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल आहे, अजून सेन्सिंग आहे, प्रेशर कंट्रोल आहे, त्याचबरोबर V to I converter means voltage to current converter. So all that how it is going to be there, so that we supposed to learn in this fifth unit. And the last sixth unit is related with that the actual application, practical applications. Their expectation is much more that whatever they have given in the syllabus, that is you supposed to study the bottle filling plant. So it is just their industrial some company is there, and that you supposed to get it study ki how it is going to be work, or the elevator control. So that you supposed to study under this controllers. Okay, how it is going to be controlled and how the actual process is going in this particular companies of bottle filling or the elevator control. Okay, how it goes up, down, how the commands are going to be controlled by using the PLC. So that PLC part is also we supposed to learn in this unit. So this is how this particular power electronics, PLL, the design of various circuits and PLC. In these four subsections, this syllabus is been distributed. So you're supposed to just go through the all this syllabus. So it's a very interesting that if you are having the interest in the design part, and if you are having the that as we shown here the prerequisite की जर तुम्हाला बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सचं थोडंसं नॉलेज आहे, डिजिटल टेक्निकचं थोडंसं नॉलेज आहे, तर डेफिनेटली तुम्हाला ह्याच्यात इंटरेस्ट येऊन यू कॅन लर्न अ लॉट अँड विदाउट मिसिंग अ लेक्चर, बिकॉज वन लेक्चर डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट्स द नेक्स्ट वन. मग मागचंच नसेल केलं तर मग पुढच्यावर काही समजणार नाही असं होईल. सो this is what the our syllabus is relate with. So in a first unit, if you are going in a detail, so it contains the what devices we can call, rather, that is the SCR, diac, triac. So what is this SCR? So for that you require the knowledge of basic electronics. So in basic electronics you studied the resistors, diodes, Zener diode, LED. So how it works, what are their construction, the transistor you have studied already. So if you are remembering that basic knowledge of that transistor and all that, so definitely this the because we are going to study the construction, working and VI characteristic. These three parameters are only we are going to study for SCR, diac, triac. That is what the first unit covers over here. Second unit, if you are looking in detail, so it is related with the rectifier, because SCR whatever we are going to study, so if anyone knows, it's a good one. So SCR is nothing but silicon controlled rectifier. So rectifier itself, so how it is going to make a rectification or AC to DC. Rectification means what? Convert AC into DC. So in that we have already learned the half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, and are you remembering? Bridge rectifier, center tap rectifier. So that's why I took a pause, so that you will recall that the concept. So that only we are going to see in detail but by using this SCR. Already we have learned by using the diodes, if you are remembering. So what is the difference between this diode and SCR? So the difference is only that the controlled rectifier, so you can just control it की किती वेळ तुम्हाला ते रेक्टिफिकेशन झालं पाहिजे, कुठून कुठपर्यंत रेक्टिफिकेशन झालं पाहिजे AC to DC. So how it is going to be controlled, so that we have to study in detail in this power electronics second unit. The third unit, if you are looking in detail, so it is related with the PLL concept, that is phase locked loop. So that is the feedback technique is there. So how it is going to be used in modulator and demodulator. So what is modulator, what is demodulator? You supposed to just recall the concept from digital communication. AM, FM. So the modulation, detection, which techniques are there. So this is also prerequisite that you supposed to study FM detection from digital communication subject. So that here what we are going to learn, so that will be easy for you. That is FSK demodulation or the PSK demodulation. So this concept, what is FSK, what is PSK, that we have gone through in that digital communication subject. So it is expected from you all that you supposed to just go through it. So again in this LM565, so this is the different IC numbers are added over here. So all the details of all these particular ICs, their functions, and how we can design by using these ICs, the different applications. Like in this third unit, we're going to design the frequency synthesizer. So anyone knows the concept of frequency synthesizer? Okay, no issue. So in the lectures only, we will learn that one also from the scratch. But if you will remember the concept of FSK, PSK, so that will be easy for you to understand now, because it is not possible to just go through that the basic concepts or the diagrams or the what actually functions of this FSK, PSK in this semester. So if you have preserved your notebooks of digital communication, so definitely you just go through that so that it will be easy for you only. Okay, so this LM565, it is an example of PLL only, so that we are going to study over here. So this is what the syllabus from first unit. Second section, if you are looking in detail, so it is a timer. Using here also different ICs they have provided. So this is totally the syllabus related with the design part, digital design we can say, because various ICs they have given, and by using them we have to do the design. So in every chapter, third, fourth, fifth, the design section is there. Only first and second, that is the theoretical, that is we have to design. The second also we have to design the rectifier, but that is a static one, so that never goes on changing. But third, fourth, fifth, so here we have to design some circuits by using the given this particular sensors or the this particular ICs. That is the digital voltmeter, that is 7 segment display. For that the concept is required. The 3.5 digit means what? One 7 segment display, how many 7 segment displays are required, how to interconnect them, what is the actual circuit diagram for it, for the implementation. So that connections and all that in detail, it is expected in this the design, and the questions on that one only it is going to be asked in the exam. If it is definitely this time now, offline exam will happen for all this semester university exam. Okay, so all be has to do in that way the study of the all the subject. One more, just I recall the instructions to give it to you, that related to library. Library is open nowadays, means so you all supposed to just visit, get the respective book bank and other books get issued to you as soon as possible. So that is also the info instructions from my side has to be given, so that is given for library. The question papers and all, it is also there in the library, so you can just collect from there and get it xerox and start working on the finalizing and implementation of HMP project also. So depending on this also you can choose the project, but whenever you are going to first come first allotted this, on that basis only you will get the permission to do the project. So in this subject whatever the ICs are there and application, so you can also choose from that and you can do the any small project based on that. But for that you're supposed to just intimate your title to the project coordinator, so that no duplication will happen in this case. Or the other various fields are there, so you can choose the latest field from and you can do the work on that. So in this 2-3 months only it should get completed. In that way it is not like that 1 year you will get, because the assessment will be there in this semester end only for HMP. So both this subject and HMP are correlated. So that's why I just insisted. And the last one, that is what we can do about this bottle filling plant and elevator control, so that we will see ahead. So this is a brief what the introduction of our syllabus or the contents of subject. And a few of the experiment list is also suggested by the university that minimum 8 experiments we supposed to be do it physically, because last semester we have gone through the only online demos. So if anyone is interested, so definitely you can now come here and try the last semester practicals also, those who have just you have seen the demos only. This semester definitely we will do here only, so that accordingly the planning is also will be published to you as early as possible. So this is the common list, it has been provided. So from that we will implement any experiments. So first, second, so whatever they are, the SCR, triac, diac are there. So the simulation part is there also based on MATLAB. So that one also we will just try to implement over here. That is whatever we have designed. So that we will try to implement actually in the practically the simulation of display design and DVM and all that. So this is what the list is. It has been provided by the university. So this is all about the whatever the our syllabus and it is related with. So if anyone is having any query, question related to all this or the this coming semester, so you can just refer me, or right now also you can just intimate to me, so that it will be get easier for you as well as for me as a CC also. So from the next, that is by tomorrow, so as the only theory lectures are being kept nowadays, so definitely the whole day the 5 lectures you supposed to be attend and get the knowledge from the each one. So increase your patience and take interest in that, and don't miss any of the lecture. Okay, so with this, I think today's as the first session is there, so I have given all the instruction as a CC or as the subject teacher also. So for this regarding to the vocational training, in the first lecture of by the our HOD Vibhuti sir, for that S&A sensors and applications by tomorrow, so that time you can discuss with them. So I'm just asking to yours here also to just point out related to the vocational training to the HOD, so that there will be some brainstorming sessions will be there, and accordingly some planning it will be done by them. Okay, because of this vocational training is also a must a part of your academics only. So I hope this is okay for today's session. So if anyone want to just discuss any point, you can discuss over here.